According to latest media reports, the Indian Army's Northern Command has received the first batch of 10,000 Sig716 rifles, and the Army has started inducting the newly acquired rifles in counter operations. India had signed a 700 crore rupees contract for procuring 72,400 Sig716 rifles from the US manufacturer Sig716 under a fast-track procurement in February 2019. The Indian Army has also started getting supplies of ammunition for its sniper rifles, and more than 21 lakh rounds have been ordered from the vendors. India and Russia had signed a $3 billion deal for the lease of second Akula-class nuclear-powered submarine in March 2019, and as per latest reports, India and Russia have begun discussions for the lease of a third Akula-class nuclear submarine. Top officials have said that the lease of third nuclear submarine is being discussed due to the projected shortage of nuclear submarines in the Indian Navy. Learning from the delays in the Tejas program, the Aeronautical Development Agency has decided that the medium-weight fighter won't have a technology demonstrator or any prototype aircraft in its initial development stage, and the first aircraft will be in initial operational clearance configuration, for which metal cutting will start from February 2020, and will be ready for first flight by 2024. Just weeks after India's Ministry of Defence signed a 13,500 crore rupees deal for 464 T-90 tanks with Russia, the indigenous Arjun Mark 1A variant cleared all the user trials successfully, and top experts have said that as a production line has been lying vacant from 2010 onwards, an order for at least 500 tanks are needed to lower the production cost and stabilize the assembly line. DRDO has not received any general staff qualitative requirements for the Future Ready Combat Vehicle program, but reports indicate that the FRCV will weigh only 50 tons, compared to 65 tons of the Arjun Mark 1A, which is a clear preference for procurement of the Russian T-14. The long-pending deal between India and Japan for 12 amphibious military aircraft is unlikely to be signed during the upcoming meeting between Prime Minister Modi and his Japanese counterpart, because the planes are not on the Navy's priority list, and the Navy is already facing a budget crunch. Nearly 85,000 employees of the 41 ordnance factories will once again go on a strike on the 8th of January 2020, after the high-level committee has failed to convince the employees' union of the need for corporatization. The union government is considering a move to convert these ordnance factories to boost competition and self-reliant in defense production.